These are the best $39 I ever spent. And I am back! Sorry lovies, I was out and about and only because I was sick. I couldn't film anything, I couldn't film myself. I had health issues, cough, allergies, my eyes were watering for a whole month, but I finally stopped and I am back. I'm happy to film again. Hope you missed me because I did. And today we're going to be review wigs. So I'm going to start with this one right now. So if you want to know all the details about this very affordable lace front baby girl, I would call it girl, then keep on watching. As you can tell, the part is in the middle, but you still can manipulate it, and as the lace goes all around, of course it needs a little loving and a little more plucking around to make it more a little real, but overall it's a pretty good wig. Also it has the combs, 3 combs in the middle, on the sides, and also you can shape it to the size that fits better your head. It doesn't really have any baby hairs, so most probably you will have to create some. Came in this bag. It doesn't smell. Sometimes cheaper wigs are only the smell, and it's really hard to get rid of that. So I'm really happy this one doesn't have any smells. A lot of times synthetic hair would be itchy. So far I don't feel anything, so this is a big plus. Alright, I think this one is definitely a keeper, so I'm going to cut the lace and I will be right back. The curls are definitely very pretty. So this one is definitely a keeper. I'm going to, because you can part it either this way, or if you want to, you can part it this way, whatever works for you best. Or in the middle, whatever it works best, but so far it looks really well. It actually didn't tangle that bad. I've been abusing it for the last at least 30 minutes, trying to see which way I like it best. It still looks very natural. It doesn't have that fake sheen. Of course, it needs a little loving and probably a little tease to make it look more voluminous, because I love volume. I love in the hair volume, as voluminous as possible. So if you want to grab yourself one, I'll leave the link down below. But Amazon, you definitely surprised me. This is really good. And for $39, that's amazing. That's like less than a haircut at the hair salon. And you get to change the color, the hairstyle, the length, and everything else. That is totally a bingo for me. Now, I am not a professional hairstylist. I am not a professional, like I can't really install it perfectly. However, the way I've learned to do it in the last few months, it actually worked pretty well for me. Let me know if you want a video about that, even though the internet is full with tutorials on how to install the lace front wigs to make it look real. Yeah, and I am going to review 7 more. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified when I will do it next time.